We'll film.
Over there, dumbass. You stupid dummy.
I finally seen the world.
You see it. It's in the world. You shouldn't jump out and scare me.
I wish. Bro, literally almost just shit himself.
Wow, look at LA.
Are you sweating at all? Oh.
I'm a sweater. I sweat, really. I'm a sweater, but this is the middle of winter.
It still feels like the middle of summer.
It does. Yeah, definitely.
How do those heels feel? How do those heels feel?
That's what I love about a workout.
Have you noticed how he always has to record everything?
He's
He's the
I'm
next
sure there's
YouTuber.
penis videos of him. There's his own penis. Oh, what street is that?
Well, that's coming from Tustin.
I was about to say, I have no idea.
Okay. Look at that. It's just smoke.
Ah!
I don't scare easily.
Jet lag.
I love to be scared, but I don't scare easily.
One.
Ow!
Yeah, the guy at the haunted house chased us outside of the place with the chain.
Oh, I remember.
It was the best.
It was Halloween.
Yes, it was the best time ever. I'm all, you guys can't scare me if he's all, well, I'll show you.
I remember when I went to Not Scary Farm, and I realized why it's called Not Scary Farm. It's not scary.
Oh, shit. It's not. It's more of a stupid, family-friendly, I know that you're going to scare me and you're not that scary because you're just a guy underneath that. Yeah.
It's not even that, but they always go for women. When I went to Not Scary Farm,
It's the only way you can sexually harass people, fairly.
when I went there twice, both times.
Oh shit! Sorry.
Both times that I went to Not Scary Farm, fucking, literally, they were just going towards towards any girls.
Is that LA?
Ooh.
Bro, this is killing me right here.
LA?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you see the fire though, or no?
No, the fire is to the right of it's
Oh,
this.
it's North LA?
Yeah. The beach,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the ocean out there.
Yeah, well, that's
Jet lag.
the sun going down, so it's lighting up over there. But that's, I mean, this is not fog or smog. That's smoke. We all took a couple of years off our life for this inhalation of smoke. So, yeah.
No, why do you think during the pandemic?
What?
Why do you think all during the pandemic?
What about it?
Like, there's so much
Oh
pollution.
my gosh, Tommy, I am going to kill you and throw you in that ravine.
For what?
It doesn't matter. It's just going to be, that's what's going to happen. And I'm
No,
gonna
can I have
get
memorial?
Daniel to help me.
Can I have my memorial down there?
Yeah, whatever. Oh, that's right there. Throw you off right there. Boom. Will you scream like that? We'll film it. That'll be awesome. This is cool. How they never developed all this up here.
Hopefully this fire doesn't come this far. I know that won't happen, but
It's
hey, you never
done.
know.
I mean, this is like, oh, let me light this on fire.
Yeah.
And it's just, that's it.
Yeah.
Do you have a lighter?
Bruh.
I'm going to call the FBI and tell them what you just said. It's like, you don't say, I have a bomb when you get on a plane.
Have you seen the video of a guy going on the plane?
Oh shit.
And he hasn't seen his friend Jack in a long time, and he just screams, "Hi, Jack!"
Yeah, that's gonna be
And everybody's
Erin.
screaming in the fucking. Everybody's screaming their ass.
I want to climb to the top of that so you can take my picture.
You can try it, but
Is there
No, it's illegal.
it's
You
all
can't do
it's
it.
our.
illegal? What? Who brought this guy? There's
Illegal.
nothing is illegal when you
See,
go.
no, see
Oh
how
my
he
gosh,
tries.
officer, are you illegal? That is very peculiar to me.
No, see
So
how
what
it,
would you do if there's a sign that says there's cameras everywhere?
There isn't cameras everywhere, and nobody's
there.
nobody's
Camera.
and nobody's
Camera.
looking, especially on a Saturday. This time, nobody's around.
So let's say they came. What would you say?
This is the only thing. If I could get to the ladder, stairs, however I can get up, whatever signs there were, if I could and had the availability, it's done. And then I'll talk my way out of it on the other end. But yeah, no.
Yeah, what would you do if they came
My
out?
sister and I, when we were
What'd
children.
you say, huh?
What?
What'd you say the cops came here? What'd you say to them?
What would I say to them? I would say, oh my God, My boyfriend was out here and he threw my keys. I know that they're up there. I just don't know. I don't know what to do, officer. Hold on a second. I would do something like that.
Oh my God. No, what would you do? Would you say, someone threw my baby up there?
How come out of everyone in your family?
Not only do I not have a ride home, but in my house, I can't even get in my house, Mr. Officer Policeman.
How come everybody you introduced me, Tommy, and she's the last one that you introduced me to?
Yeah,
She's the funniest.
I'm the cooler one.
Oh, what's?
Okay.
Oh, here's the plan. Perfect. Right here.
Oh, you
Yeah,
fucker.
yeah,
All right, why don't you join?
Now stand like this for a picture, and then we will shove you down. No, seriously.
Right here. Show.
See, look at. They know.
Here,
what
I'll
you
do it.
want.
I'll do it. I'll actually do
Cover
it.
up the way to get up with the
Yeah.
gate.
Actually, I'll do it. Look. Here, hold this. I'll do it. I'll do it.
No, we're not doing it.
No, there's not an easy. See, back in our day, they wouldn't have had that gate covered.
Yeah.
You
Really?
needed your friend to do it.
Bye, y'all. I don't know what to do, officer. Wait.
See, you don't have the same reasoning that I do. A woman is, you know. What am I gonna tell my kids?
Wait, Erin, what do you think that this metal thing goes to? This.
What metal thing?
The pipe.
That's like a marker, actually. This is actually a stake marker
Oh, that
that
was
they
a
mark.
sprinkler.
This is something to them. This is a line, like a pipeline is underneath the ground or something like that. That they want to make sure it doesn't get hit. So-
It's not a sprinkler?
No, absolutely not. It's actually old, and look at it's been filled with cement. But see, look at right there. That is the marker. That number on there. So when they did the land, do that thing with the site thing.
Oh,
They
yeah.
have to mark somewhere to go from.
1,390,000
Oh, it says it.
something.
It should actually say like either an elevation or a code of that whole thing. But
Maybe
it has
we.
something to do with this right here and how they've set it up. So they've marked it right here.
Do you think we could dig it up and like
No, it's
break in?
really,
Is that the
really
water that goes into all the houses?
probably. It's yeah.
I don't know what to
And
do.
why do you think that they put this water thing right here? It's a natural thing that happens in life and in the world.
Yeah, Daniel, why do you think down
water,
there?
like in Pacific Palisades, how they couldn't get any water up there. Well, pumping water up a hill is like pushing yourself down. I mean, it's so the water being up high, so everyone has the pressure that they need. Every single person gets the same kind of pressure. That's why water towers in little towns, you see them built up on stilts up here. So when it comes down, it's got that much water pressure for everybody, and it continues.
So
to
this is
gravity.
basically on stilts, but
It's a
underground.
gravitational thing. So yeah, this is absolutely for toilet flushing and
So all your shit's in there.
Yeah, the
garden.
amount of shit.
Yeah.
Can you imagine Tommy's bringing much of shit in
Yeah,
there?
I'm wondering
Oh,
what's
God.
down there. See, there's a whole world down underneath there. You go down there.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even realize
All the
that.
munchkins. All the
Wait,
munchkins.
did you even realize that under there?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Shut up.
You did not notice that until right now. I didn't notice that. And I've been here 3,000 times now.
Oh my gosh, really?
No.
That's right through
I
your
always
body.
Just, I always just look at this. That's why.
Oh, really?
I don't pay attention to that. I'm just like walking.
Yeah,
like,
so
oh, cool.
so the guy that works here that can get up there, he goes right there, and actually that thing that right there at the bottom probably unlocks it and it falls down like this, like a latch. You know what I mean? Like it hangs like a, and then he can climb up the thing. But that at the bottom is locked, and so that whole thing probably drags open. And he can go right on it.
Right on
Dirty
up the
bastard. You
tube.
fucking cool job and shit.
Right on up the tube.
Right on up the tube.
Well, what if we were fat like Daniel and I? And
He's not fat. His
Ow.
body proportion is
Doesn't matter.
perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. I'm wondering what that.
Look at
thing
that.
is right
All
there.
that muscle.
Oh my gosh! Look at what that is.
muscle.
You see that? I don't know. That's a measuring thing right there. You see all the numbers?
Yes, that's a measuring thing.
A water measurement.
My says not that good. I can't see from that far.
Oh really? It's actually marked with numbers feet wise.
Wait, where are the numbers at even? Like on where?
Well, you see the lines, but they're
Bro, we're out of water.
Oh, on that white. Oh,
on that
yeah, that
rusted kind of pole
Yeah.
going up and down.
Damn, you can see the numbers from that far. Shit, you have really good eyesight.
Well, actually, I can see far away good. Reading the up close is getting like, what the hell?
See, it's actually a fun thing, cool thing to find like interesting facts and stuff on hikes.
Yep.
It's actually water in there. Are we out?
Interesting though. How is that? I'm not. That goes down.
Meh.
There's
Put it
that-
towards your face.
Oh,
That'll cool it down. You want one to cool down your face?
What is it?
ice, dipshit.
Oh no, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh my god. This is a kick. 360 roundhouse kick.
Yeah.
Roundhouse.
Don't forget, Tommy, you gotta be home at 4 o'clock, buddy.
What the fuck time is it?
Time for you to get a watch.
Where's our car? Where are we?
It's 3:30.
No, where's the house is right down there, right? That
Yeah.
house right there.
Yeah.
You better stay out of my car, my package.
Steal our package!
I wonder what's going on up there. That's like where the coyotes drive.
Yeah. You can walk past this. You walk here. There's not a gate. It's not a full gate.
Oh.
Yeah, you keep going.
Okay.
It's a coyote's habitat.
Yeah. You're in habitat now, lady.
Oh, you thought it ended like that?
I was like, what you guys are you are gonna kill me.
We're gonna take you right on top of that.
Yeah, so my sister knows where I'm at. You fucker.
No, they made the Lion King movie on top of it.
Oh my gosh, they filmed MASH out here. This is where they filmed MASH,
Yeah!
the show, and
Yellowstone.
also the Prairie.
That's where they made Lion King. Right,
Freaking
Tommy?
Lion King.
Yeah.
you saw some-
House of Anya,
If you look at that
Look at that, sunflowers.
If you look at that last hill right there,
There's a Pride Rock.
that high hill has a rock where it basically looks
Oh, I don't know. I'm out here and maybe I have matches in my pocket and I'm just gonna start a fire and then there it
You
goes.
idiot.
Walk away from it. And then,
You fucker!
who knows if some asshole just started a fire?
like FBI, we have her.
Yeah. There's no way out. There's a gate. We have a fence. She thinks there's no way out. No, there is.
Officer, my boyfriend just threw my keys.
I'm just so curious. I mean, so other people must walk this because it's definitely carved out here.
Officer.
Ossifer.
Ossifer?
No, Ossifer. I haven't been drinking.
Man, we did some swerving back there.
Yep. I thought I would walk it off. Officer.
Officer, maybe I can help you out. And,
Yeah, this is definitely a utility road for them. Yeah. Let me take care of a couple things for you, and then we'll get this all worked out, and I'll be on my way. Okay?
Skibbity bibby.
Disgusting.
Skibbity bibby.
hey, I'm out of jail.
Yeah.
Skibbity bibby
Yeah,
hawk
jail
tua.
free card right there, baby.
Oh, you're gonna record this whole entire act.
Oh, I am. It's actually interesting.
No, don't, because then he'll use the information against you.
Exactly.
I feel like we're Laura Ingalls and Mary Ingalls walking home from school.
No, it's
And
Charles Engel.
Pa's gonna be so upset with you, and because you lost your chalkboard, and he has to call us.
I lost my chalkboard.
Yeah, right. My chalkboard. Where's my car, you guys?
Uh,
How am I supposed to get back down there?
I shove you down there.
Tell me. Your first thoughts are to push, shove, to hurt, to pull. You know what he did? I wasn't listening to him. I was talking to my sister, and he was like this. He's all, and he just, and I was like, why did you do that? And he's all, I thought it was your dress. I didn't. I'm all, you motherfucker. You know that
You
did-
motherfucker.
But he was almost getting so
You
angry.
should have
with
just
me.
pinched his
He pinched
invisible
Nope.
dick.
hard. I had a bruise.
You should have pinched his invisible dick.
My invisible dick.
You know about your invisible dick?
And he pushed me. I'm like, why would you do that?
Why would you do that, Tommy?
I thought it was your dress.
And you hit my car door on your stupid mailbox. I know it was you.
Damn, you did that.
You're gonna pay for that too.
How much?
I'm just gonna punch you for like an hour.
Go
It'll
ahead.
be free for you.
Go ahead. Ow!
Damn. Hey, what'd you hit me for? Okay, I'll knock you out right now.
Did I say pass it on? I did not.
I
Imagine.
got one hit now. How you do that?
All right.
Just one.
What's going on right here?
Wait, you moved, bitch.
What are you yielding to? What do they want us to step aside for?
I never noticed that either.
Yield for bikes and horses and people? It's like, okay, thanks for letting us know that. We're like this, we're all, no, you're not gonna get by us, no.
Oh, can I borrow one of those? I just want to see what it feels like up this hill.
What do you mean, the difference?
Yeah, Daniel, put one on.
You put it on, buddy.
I just want one. Does it actually help?
Well, like I said, maybe if I want like maybe 5 pounds, but usually only 3.
Oh yeah, can I have those? Fuck you, you don't need them.
No, I got them because when I injured my drawing from
You're wrong. Her woman
dogs.
penis.
Yeah, it totally strengthened my legs.
Oh, so we got a day that / them on the board?
What?
No, I'm just kidding.
You want to wear a pink thing? I don't think so.
Tommy, what do you identify as?
A fag.
No, it's called a fat ass.
See, when we were kids, a fag was just like a jerk.
Yeah.
You're being such a fag.
I don't know. Is that for you, Tommy?
No.
Tommy identifies as Metro. which is somebody that should care about their hygiene but doesn't, because you have that metro kind of like behavior and attitude, you know, kind of like in between. He's like friends with all the girls but not really dating them, and suggest, you know, oh, that one looks better than that one, or that's your color,
Actually,
that makes you look fat, whatever.
come on, can I use that for this hill?
Tell me, it's not going to do anything.
It feels good.
Because
Want to try one?
What does it do exactly though?
it absolutely, you can't feel it at all, but it like you would with anything, have a way. So every time I'm taking a step, I've got something resisting. You know what I mean? So it's actually just
All right.
working a little
All right,
bit
Daniel,
more
on to
than
you.
walking.
Gotcha.
Lead the way to Mufasa.
Is there one of those like
Here, hold this.
air things that take you down? You know, sky cabins.
Good luck with that fish. Oh, she's just coming. Run!
You're such an ass.